Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is Ituki po again. Ngayon nandito naman ulit tayo sa channel ni Pinas Trending Now TV. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaksyon. Kaya samahan nyo guys, let's go!
In detail.
Ma'am Attorney Contacto, remember nung unang hearing na sinet namin, that was last week, and you were given notice way ahead of time, umuo kayo, and then last minute, sabi nyo, launching ng iLotto. Wait a minute. And we said, okay. And then kayo mismo ang pumayag na iset it, to set the hearing for another date. Okay? So, dapat nakapag-adjust na kayo. Dapat nakita nyo na po yung schedule ninyo. Na kung pwede ba kayo hindi, a week later. And then, all of a sudden, hindi na kayo pwede. Come on.
Mr. Senator, I have a copy of the letter that we sent. There was no mention of the iLotto. What we have here is...
Yung first letter ninyo is
letter launching. It was two agendas, Your Honor, that we raised in the first letter. So in the first paragraph is the launch of the iLotto, and the second is the transition the PLS, sir. Right now, I cannot stress enough, sir, the reason why we need to focus on the PLS. And if you would allow me to explain, sir, this would explain the absence of our officials right now. As I was saying, sir, our ELDA, with the equipment lease agreement, which is the system that is currently being used by the PCSO, is set to expire on September 30.
Okay. Ayokong ubusin yung oras natin, Attorney Contacto, dahil lang sa magpapaliwanag ninyo. Let's proceed na lang. Basta the fact remains na ang yayabang nyo dyan sa PCSO. This is the first time it happens dito Senado na twice in a row, last minute, magka-cancel, magbo-boycott ang isang agency para sa isang hearing, napaka-importanting hearing na patawag ng Senado. First time in history, for your information. Nagets nyo?
We apologize, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sino ba kasi may pakana nitong iLotto na to? Sige nga.
Basta pagdating sa tulpo talaga mga kaibigan, mararamdaman mo talaga yung inis at galit niya talaga sa pananalitaan niya, no?
Bakit gawin yung electronic itong Lotto?
Mr. Senator, regarding the iLotto, first we would like to clarify, and we've already stressed this before Congress when we were called also.
Well, iba yung sa Congress, iba yung sa Senate.
No, sir. But I'm just reiterating. What we have is only a test run. We are not totally phasing out the Lotto agents. As in fact, as I have mentioned a while ago, we will be transitioning to the Philippine lottery system. We also have right now, sir, a memorandum from management that we plan to increase an additional 2,000 terminals to cover those that will be left behind from the migration to the PLS.
Teka muna, sabi nyo test run.
Yes, sir.
Okay, define test run. Kasi ang pagkakaintindi ko, yes, test run. And then later on, sabihin, ay, successful, ay, tanggap na ng mga tao, then itutuloy-tuloy nyo na yun. At magiging permanente na yun. Kasi nga, meron kayong kakontrata, itong kumpanya Pacific something, na kikita ng 14% gross receipt na mga taya. That's so big. Dati nga, 22% siguro. Tinablang kayo ng hiya. Siguro na inabot kayo ng kahiyan dahil ang garapalan. 22% i-charge sa bawat taya na mapupunta doon sa application. Now we could have just buy out that application na yan. 22 pero anyway, naging 14% na lang. Pero malaki pa rin yun. Sa bawat taya, 14% mapupunta doon sa apps. Kita nyo kabalastugan ninyo?
Sir, we are not familiar with the percentages. However,
100%. I'm sure of that.
However, sir, it is not true that it is a yes right away. Under the guidelines that we have, there are tests that they have to pass before this can be, adopted by the agency. Now, the reason, sir, why we are considering iLotto is because of the proliferation of illegal lotto betting sites. I actually accessed one about 2 weeks ago. So these are electronic platforms, mobile applications rather, that claim to be accepting bets for lotto. The payment that they make is through GCash.
I mean, merong mga
illegal, sir.
Illegal betting stations sa Lotto?
No, sir. What I am saying, sir, are illegal betting sites that are not affiliated with PCSO who get bets for Lotto.
And because of that, kaya kayo mag-open?
Sir,
iLotto?
Sir, the agency, Your Honor, the agency is losing, I think, about 4 billion from these illegal betting sites.
Okay, give me a
Dapat isa na lang sana kasi yan mga kaibigan. Isa rin sa nagpapahirap yan sa mga Pilipino mga kaibigan. Totoo lang. Yung mga tao nagkakandahirap sa pagtrabaho, tapos itataya lang nila sa Lotto. Tsambahan, may dayan pa nangyayari. Yung mamanalo parang piling-pili lang. Yung mga nagtataya, nagawawa naman sila mga kaibigan, imbis na pambili nila sana ng bigas, pinantataya pa nila. Di ba? Dapat ipasara na lang yan eh.
list of that. Give me a record of that.
We will be giving you, sir, the list of the illegal betting sites as well as the illegal mobile applications that
No,
you
ang alam ko
getting
na
hits.
ang ginigirilya o nagkakaroon ng illegal patayan, STL,
No,
pero
sir.
sa loto, no.
They are also illegal. We will be giving you, sir, a list of all the websites, illegal
Okay.
websites, as well as the illegal mobile applications.
Alam mo, Attorney Contacto, alam naman ng lahat, okay, kahit na bata, matanda, na merong lotto betting stations. Yung sinasabi nyo, yan ay testing pa lamang. Eventually, magiging regular na yan, magiging permanente na yan. Huwag nyo naman kaming bulahin. Huwag nyo naman kaming lukuhin.
Sir, just because that
No,
platform will
alam
be
ba,
here.
you're young and you cannot fool me. Kayo dyan sa PCSO. Eh, yung boss nyo dati, may involved sa katiwalaan sa LRT. Tapos lulukuhin nyo kami. Alam mo ba yung boss mo, di ba? Nasangkot sa katiwalaan yan before, but anyway, you don't have to answer that because that's besides the point. Oh. Sangkot sa katiwalaan yung boss mo. Tapos ngayon, magmamayabang kayo sa akin.
We are not being arrogant, Your Honor. What I am just saying is that we need to take steps to counter these illegal betting sites.
Then, kung may mga illegal betting sites, then call the police, the NBI.
And we did, yes, sir.
Then you don't have to change the system just because may mga illegal sites para kayo ay magbubukas na another problema. That's another problem by coming up with e-lotto because yung e-lotto, pwede nang tumaya pati mga bata.
I beg to disagree, sir.
No?
Yes, sir. Because
Tama yun mga kaibigan. Pag nagkaroon ng iloto talaga, kahit bata talaga, magsusugal na yan. Mas talong hindi nila mamomonitor yung mga taong nagtataya talaga. Di ba?
under our guidelines, it is required that a KYC procedure will be undertaken strictly before any bettor can access our platform. So the KYC that our platform has would require a potential bettor to submit 2 valid government IDs and a face scanning system.
Halatang bago ka, halatang bagito ka. Okay, KYC, know your client.
Yes.
Pwede naman mag-utos ng mga bata, ng driver nila, ng kasambahay nila. Pwedeng utusan ng bata ang nakatanda sa kanila. Ganun din yung ginawa ng isabong. May mga KYC din yung isabong. Pero, ano nangyari? Lahat tumataya. Nakataya. No. Yung sinasabi mo KYC, naintindihan kita. Pero makakataya pa rin mga bata. Sabi ko kanina, pwede naman utusan ng mga bata ang mas nakatanda sa kanila. Pwede nila utusan yung kanilang driver. Pwede nila utusan yung kanilang gardener. Pwede nila utusan yung barkada nila. Pwede nila utusan yung magulang ng kanilang tropa.
Your Honor, if I may po, sir. Sir, just
Grabe yung galit nito po mga kaibigan, no?
to clarify lang po. Sir, yung e-lotto po, actually, ang nilaunch pa lang naman po under the guidelines is test run para doon po sa system lang po. I think dito lang po yung sa 14%. Hindi pa po siya talaga fully operational sa market. If it...
Harangin ko yan. I'll do everything in my power. Harangin ko yan at hindi matutuloy yan. Trust me.
Yes, Your Honor. If I may just po, in-explain ko lang po kasi yung sa yung existence po niya ngayon is for a year po, and then after that, if it is successful po and viable for PCSO in the market.
Kaya nga, pag naging successful and viable, itutuloy-tuloy. Tama?
Hindi pa po, sir, kasi isa-subject po yan sa public bidding under RA 9184.
Kaya nga, pag
Sinusunod
successful
Yes
at
po, Your
kapag viable, isa-subject sa bidding.
Yes po, yung system lang po, sir. Wala
Kaya nga.
wala pang games po yun.
Kaya nga. And then of course, pag sa bidding, madali man marig yung bidding. And then hanggang sa tuloy-tuloy na maging operational na yung e-lotto. Kaya nga harangin namin yan.
Yes.
Maraming mga senador kausap ko na hindi sang-ayon dyan because maraming mawawalan ng trabaho. Ilan ba yung lotto outlet sa buong Pilipinas? Bawat isang lotto outlet, ilan ba ang mga nagtatrabaho dyan? Lahat ito magiging jobless. Sino ang panalo? Yung may-ari ng application na kumukubra ng 14%. Nagdagdag kayo ng sakit sa ulo. Okay na yung lotto outlet. Yung mga tao natutuwa pag mataas yung pat, pipila sila. Di ba? Ngayon, electronic. 14% malaki pa rin. Dati nga, 22% yan eh. Siguro, inabot kayo ng hiya. Darapalan na ata ko, sige, baba natin sa 14%. Ngayon, 14% still, mali pa rin. At ang balita ko, later on, iwa-wipe out nyo yung mga lotto outlets na may nagtatrabaho dyan, mawalang trabaho, and then later on, sasabihin nyo successful, viable, pati yung STL, na libo-libo na naman ng mga kabut-kubrador ang mawalang trabaho. Wala kayong pakialam sa mga mahirap nating kababayan. Wala kayong concern. Yun yung point ko eh. Kasi kung meron kayong concern, last year pa natin pinag-usapan yung benefits ng mga kabut-kubradores. Ninyo, dahilan kung bakit kayo may trabaho ngayon at meron kayong sweldo, kumikita kayo because of the mananaya. Yung mga hirap. Ngayon, tatanggal mo ng trabaho mga to. Ilan ba libong kabut-kubradores ninyo?
Apologies, Your Honor, I don't have that information po with me. However, sir, to clarify lang po, Your Honor, PCSO's, to my knowledge po, sir, and based on the instruction of our general manager, we are not phasing out or terminating.
Well, eventually you will. Meron akong reliable source, eventually you will. Yung STL, ipipace out nyo. No, kahit na anong iling mo iha, mag-iling ka na hanggang gusto mo. Okay? Hanggang gawin mo trompo yung ulo mo sa kailing, meron akong reliable source na eventually, pati yung STL, gagawin yung electronic sa taya. It's okay. Umiling ka lang. Sige, bigyan kita isang minuto. Umiling ka na, umiling.
Your Honor, the e-lotto po is just an expansion and addition po to our existing fixed...
Alam mo, attorney, sir, ma'am, attorney, kahit na anong klaseng palusot ang gagawin nyo, alam ko naman ang endgame nito. May isa sa katuparan yung plano ninyo. At ano yung plano na yon? may kumita na malaki at the expense of the poor people. Ito, 2,000 terminals, Lotto terminals, Lotto agents, nationwide, ay napasara na ninyo. Sinabi nyo due to low sales. Pero ang reason ay sapagkat papasok ng iLotto. 2,000. Isipin mo ilan mga empleyado ang nawalan ng trabaho. Empleyado na nagtatrabaho sa Lotto.
Tapos na. At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Dunggalo at 811. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.